Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, the steel prices in China generally declined due to the lack of demand and the bearish market sentiment. Let's first see some economic data. According to the latest data from the NBS, in July, China's imports and exports both decreased by more than 10% respectively, which is more significant than anticipated. Furthermore, both the CPI and the PPI have been declines. This marks the first time the CPI has dropped since February 2021, and the PPI has been in negative growth for 10 consecutive months. With both export and the domestic demands weakening, the Chinese economy continues to struggle. On the other hand, although the Chinese government showed a willingness to increase policy support to boost economy, no concrete plans have been introduced, leaving the market quite disappointed. On top of that, additionally, the exchange rate of RMB has been weak, further impacted by sluggish economy, also contributing to the trends of declining steel prices in China. Now let's check out the China's steel demand and production data. Research from MySteel indicates a slight increase in steel consumption and production, but with growing inventory, interestingly, the total inventory is now very close to the level from the same period last year. However, the inventory was decreasing at the time, but the current situation shows increasing stockpile pressures and a continuous weak outlook. What can we expect from the near future? On the supply side, China's policy for crude steel production remains unclear, which means limited room for short-term supply reduction. On demand side, market players have been expecting relaxed restraints on real estate purchase in major cities in China to stimulate the property market and increase steel demand. As a result, nevertheless, with no specific policies in place yet, steel demand remains in its off-season and is unlikely to improve. Well, what's your anticipation for the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!